Now we're going to find the average rate of change of a function and use that to find the secant line equation of the function. So we're going to do a word problem here, and next to a lake we have a hill that has a zip line attached at one point, and kids can ride it down into the water below, and for safety the slope of the zip line cannot be steeper than -2/3. The hill in the lake can loosely be described in meters as y equals e to the -x plus 1, and you can see how for x greater than or equal to 0, and you can see how after x equals 0, when x is greater than 0, the part of the line that is above the x-axis is the hill, and the part that is basically on the x-axis is the lake. So now we're going to assume that the zip line is beginning at the x-coordinate 0, and that it's going to end 5 meters away at x equals 5. And we can find the slope of the zip line by finding the average rate of change of the function from x equals 0 to x equals 5. First we need 2 points so that we can find the slope, because to find the slope of the line you always need 2 points. So to find y1, we plug 0 into our equation, e to the -0 plus 1, simply e to the first, so we know that y1 equals 2.72. So that's our first point, will be 0, 2.72. And our next point, y2, equals e to the -5 plus 1, and that is e to the -4th, which is about 0.02, so very close to 0, but not quite. So that's our second point, 5, 0.02. Now that we have 2 points, we need to find the line that connects them and the slope of that line. So we can use the average rate of change equation to find the slope, and we know that the average rate of change is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, or change in y over change in x, and that is 0.02 minus 2.72 all over 5 minus 0. And you can see the colors line up if you need to know which points went into which numbers. And our average rate of change is -0.54. So now we have the slope of the line and 2 points, so we can write a linear equation in point-slope form. Point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So we simply plug those in. We have y minus 2.72 equals -0.54 times x minus 0. We can also rearrange that to a slightly more familiar form, which is y equals mx plus b, and that is slope-intercept form, and that would be y equals -0.54x plus 2.72. And we know the slope of the line is -0.54, and that is less than the limit of -2/3, which is -0.667. So the zip line is safe.